Hey everyone, it's Rachel again. In this tutorial, I'll teach you how to color a realistic pearl using the Color Therapy app. If you look at a real pearl up close, you'll see many delicate shades and undertones of colors like turquoise, orange, pink, or blue. The trick is to lightly blend these colors together and then add highlights. If you want to follow along with me, search for pearl in the search box. So here's the reference I've chosen to work from. Look very closely and you can see there's some turquoise, green color, a bit of blue, orange, pink, and then we have our bright white highlight. The shell itself is also very subtle with the coloring, but the shading behind it really helps to make the pearl pop. Okay, so I've already got started in shading everything else around the pearl. I'm gonna show you how to color the pearl itself. And you can also do it in any color at all. You can have purple pearls or blue or black pearls. There's all kinds of different colors. So you can really decide. I'm just gonna show you this basic multicolored one. Let's start with the spring palette. There's a nice light pinkish pearl color on the top row. Set that to gradient. Tap to fill that in. I'm using a radial gradient. I'm just tapping it in. And then for these white areas, I'll just sample the color and tap to fill that in. You might also want to use a smear tool a little bit just to make sure those little areas are blended in and make sure coloring inside the lines mode is set to off. Now let's use the Hopeless Romantic palette, and we'll be using a turquoise color, a purple, a pink, and the orange. Select the airbrush tool and set the size and opacity at 40%. I'll start off with that turquoise color and just add in a quick little touch in the middle bottom part, and then orange next to that, and then a bit of pink at the top, and maybe on another side next to it. Make sure coloring inside the lines mode is set to off. And then also using a light gray from that palette, I'm gonna add a little bit in the middle. So it's very subtle. If you wanna add any other colors, you should do that now. Maybe if you wanna add some turquoise at the top or bottom. Now let's lower the size and opacity to 15. Using that darker gray from that palette, draw a nice shadow going in a sort of half circle around the left side of the pearl. Now set the size and opacity to 50. With that pink, just draw a nice big circle on the left side of the pearl, and then raise the size up to 100 and just do a very soft swipe across the bottom to add a little more pink to it. Now select the basic white and set the opacity at 100 and the size to 15, and just draw your bright white harsh highlight in the middle of that pink circle. And then I'm going to draw one more little highlight next to that, sort of in a curved rectangular shape, making sure it's very solid. You can also lower the size down lower to maybe 1 and refine those edges on that rectangle just a little bit. Then turn on coloring inside the lines mode, set the size to 30 and opacity at 75. And then you just want to do a little shading with the dark gray just under the bottom of the pearl there. Optionally, you can use the smear tool as well at various sizes and opacities, and you can just blend a little bit if you need to. And that's it. Here's the full image with the lines removed. Remember, you can change up any of these colors if you want. Just work on subtly blending them. If you'd like to see more tutorials like this, don't forget to subscribe to the Color Therapy YouTube channel so you don't miss any new tutorial videos. Thanks for watching our tutorial. You can get the Color Therapy app for free on the App Store.